Now that we have solved the first two layers, it's time to move on to the orientation of the last layer, or OLL. The goal in this step is to make the entire top layer a single color. For standard cube, this means turning the yellow face completely yellow. At this point, we're not worried about the positions of the yellow pieces, just their orientation. We will focus on getting the yellow face solved first, and we will fix the position in the next step. In total, there are 57 possible OLL algorithms. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize all of them to get started. Many cubers begin with a simpler approach, learning just a handful of basic cases that cover the most common patterns. From there, you can gradually add more algorithms as you practice and improve. For now, I will show you two beginner-friendly methods. First, the two-look method, which break OLL into 2 steps or sometimes 3 steps. Second, a few common OLL patterns that are easy to recognize and solve. First, we create a yellow cross on the top face. Depending on how the yellow pieces are oriented, you might see one of those 3 cases: L shape, line shape, and dot shape. And here is how to solve each case. For the small L shape, put the L in the bottom right corner, like that, and do the following algorithm. Small f, r, u, r prime, u, small f prime. And now we've got the cross. Now this is the line shape, but actually it is a C shape, but we're gonna forget about the other yellow pieces, just the line. To solve this shape, put the line horizontally and do the following algorithm: f, r, u, r prime, u prime, f prime. And now we've got a cross. And now the dot shape. Now you need 2 algorithms to solve the dot shape into the cross shape. And the algorithm goes like f, r, u, r prime, u prime, f prime. And now we have a small l, and we can solve it as we are solving the L shape. After you memorize all of these 3 shapes, you also need to memorize 7 more shapes. But no problem, I will show you every one of those 7 and also the algorithm for them. So let's go ahead. This is a huge step in solving the Rubik's Cube. Next, we'll move on the final step, PLL, where we will position all the pieces correctly.